Recommendations on winterizing a 604.
Number one is going to be start the car up, pour some oil down the carburetor with the car running until it like smokes you out of your damn garage. And then once that's done, then, drain the water out of the car, all that stuff.
Well, what does all that stuff include?
What do you mean?
We said drain the water out of
the car.
Drain the water
out of the car.
So we're already fogging
right.
it.
Yeah.
We want to
you're
fog
fogging
it.
the engine.
And then we want to drain the water.
Correct.
Now, do you want to back off on the valve springs at all?
So you can, yes. But odds are, let's change valve springs before the start of the new year.
Yeah. So. Now, do you pull spark plugs at all and put tape on them or anything?
No.
Okay. I'm just asking.
No, leave the spark plugs in there because when you light it off in the next season, you're going to foul those spark plugs out anyway. So let's do that and then change spark plugs before you go race.
Okay. Great tips there, Steve. Great tips.
Gee, thanks.